When I'm done working with my planes, I give them a spray of Camilla oil. I get this stuff from Japan. It's not expensive, and it works really well to prevent rust. So just give it a little spray, rub it on with a cloth. This cloth is dedicated to Camilla oil, so it's actually pretty much saturated. The other thing I will do when I finish with a plane for the day is I will take it apart and give it a quick sharpen, because you don't want that under your blade rusting away, attracting water. Same with that. You don't want that on your bevel. So the whole thing gets Camilla oil on every contact surface. After a quick sharpen, just drop the blade back in, put the lever cap back on, square everything up, and tighten it down with the thumb wheel. Now, I just go snug with the block plane. I don't really reef it down super hard. It just has to hold things in place. It doesn't have to make your life difficult. Anyway, I'll do that with all the rest of my planes.